Hello, everyone. Are you planning to retire soon? Watch this first. I am Joe from JM Food Trips Plus Retirement, sending you some important tips and guides that can help you in finalizing your retirement plans and decisions. Ever dreamed of retiring in a tropical paradise where your dollar goes twice as far? Welcome to the Philippines. Starting in 2025, the SRRV visa is back for those aged 40 and up. It's your ticket to lifetime residency with simple deposit requirements. From luxury condos in Manila to budget-friendly living in the provinces, consumer prices are over 60% lower than in the West. You'll enjoy zero language barriers, world-class hospitality, and a tax-free haven for your foreign-sourced income. Keep in mind, healthcare varies by region, and you'll need to plan for infrastructure gaps and the tropical typhoon season. Whether it's the gentle vibes of Dumaguete, the urban convenience of Cebu, or the cool hills of Tagaytay, there's a spot for everyone. Ready to trade your office for the islands? Start your Philippine retirement journey today. Why are more expats choosing to retire in the Philippines? One major reason: they can potentially stretch their retirement savings further. Instead of watching their pension disappear quickly because of high living costs, some retirees choose a country where everyday expenses can be more manageable. Housing, food, transportation, and local services can cost less than in many Western countries, depending on your lifestyle and location. But it's not just about saving money. Expats also enjoy the tropical climate, Filipino hospitality, and a different pace of life. Retirement isn't just about how much money you have, it's about how far that money can take you. The biggest retirement question of expats is, what kind of lifestyle can my retirement income realistically support in the Philippines? For example, someone receiving a fixed monthly retirement income may find that moving to a lower cost area gives them more room for food, hobbies, travel, family activities, and savings. But the actual amount depends heavily on location and lifestyle. And retirement affordability isn't the only consideration. Visa requirements, healthcare access, taxes, housing arrangements, climate, infrastructure, and proximity to family should all be part of the decision. But there is an important catch. Lower cost of living does not mean everything is cheap. Imported products, private healthcare, international schools, luxury condos, electronics, cars, and frequent international travel can become expensive. Healthcare is particularly important for retirees. A good retirement plan should include health insurance, emergency funds, medications, and unexpected medical expenses. How some expats can stretch retirement savings in the Philippines? 1. Housing can be more flexible. Retirees can choose among apartments, condominiums, suburban homes, or smaller provincial communities. Housing costs vary enormously between Metro Manila, major cities, tourist areas, and rural locations. 2. Food can be more affordable, especially local food. Eating Filipino food, shopping at public markets, and buying locally produced ingredients can reduce spending compared with relying heavily on imported products or Western-style restaurants. 3. Everyday services may cost less. Some services, such as housekeeping, laundry, transportation, repairs, and certain personal services, can be less expensive than comparable services in the US or other Western countries. 4. Transportation can reduce the need for car ownership. Depending on the location, retirees may use public transportation, taxis, ride-hailing services, or walkable neighborhoods instead of maintaining a car, insurance, fuel, and parking. 5. Lifestyle choices make a huge difference. An expat living in an expensive condominium, eating imported food, traveling frequently, and using private services may spend considerably more than someone living a simpler local lifestyle. Lastly, I want to put an emphasis in food. Food in the Philippines can be expat-friendly and healthy, especially when retirees choose mostly fresh, locally prepared meals rather than highly processed foods. Why Filipino food can appeal to expats? 1. Lots of fresh ingredients. Public markets and local stores offer vegetables, fruits, fish, seafood, chicken, eggs, and other fresh foods. Tropical fruits such as mangoes, bananas, papaya, pineapple, and coconut are widely available. 2. Rice makes meals familiar and flexible. Rice is a staple, so meals are straightforward to customize. Expats can choose smaller portions of rice while adding more vegetables or protein. 3. Plenty of seafood. Because the Philippines is an island country, fish and seafood are common in many regions. Grilled or steamed fish can be a nutritious alternative to heavily fried foods. 4. Filipino cooking has many healthy options. Not every Filipino dish is heavy. Examples include grilled fish, tinola, sinigang with vegetables, pinakbet, grilled chicken, and vegetable soups. 5. Easy to adapt to different diets. Many restaurants and households can adjust meals. Less salt, less sugar, less oil, more vegetables, or smaller portions. 6. Food can be socially enjoyable. For expats, eating isn't just about nutrition. Filipino meals are often shared with family and friends, making food an important part of the retirement experience. But there's a catch. Filipino cuisine also has dishes that are high in sodium, sugar, saturated fat, or calories, particularly when fried or prepared with sweet sauces. Processed meats and sugary drinks can also add up. So the healthiest approach isn't eat Filipino food because it's healthy. It's choose more fresh foods plus vegetables plus fruit plus fish or lean protein and moderate fried, salty, sugary, and highly processed foods. For an expat retiree, that combination can potentially provide both an enjoyable food culture and a more manageable food budget. Now, let's talk about the biggest challenge that most expats experiences abroad. Retiring abroad isn't just a financial decision. You may save money and enjoy a new lifestyle, but the biggest challenge could be leaving behind the people and places you love or got used to in your entire life. Here are some of the challenges of homesickness for expats retiring in the Philippines. Retiring in the Philippines can be exciting, but homesickness is one of the emotional challenges expats may face, especially during the first months. 1. Missing family and friends. Being thousands of miles away can make birthdays, holidays, family gatherings, and everyday moments feel different. 2. Missing familiar routines. Expats may miss their favorite grocery stores, restaurants, neighborhoods, hobbies, or simply the routine they had back home. 3. Culture shock. Different communication styles, traffic, bureaucracy, weather, and social customs can sometimes become frustrating. 4. Language barriers. English is widely used in the Philippines, but local languages and Filipino expressions can still create communication challenges, particularly outside major cities. 5. Holidays can feel different. Christmas, Thanksgiving, birthdays, and other important occasions may trigger stronger feelings of homesickness. 6. Building a new social circle takes time. Retirees may initially feel isolated if they don't have friends, neighbors, or community connections. 7. Missing healthcare familiarity. Even when healthcare is accessible, some retirees may miss their doctors, medical records, insurance arrangements, or healthcare system back home. How to make the transition easier? Stay regularly connected with family through video calls. Build friendships with both Filipinos and other expats. Participate in community activities, maintain some familiar traditions from home, explore the Philippines rather than staying isolated. Consider spending part of the year back home if finances allow. Give yourself time. Feeling homesick doesn't necessarily mean you made the wrong decision. I hope this video guided you into a more solid retirement decision. Please support the channel by clicking the like, subscribe, and share below. Remember, always count your blessings. Please join me in my next video for more adventures and tips. Let's go. Thank you for watching.